In this next section, we're going to display some text in one column and a picture in the next. So you've kind of covered this already, but just so it's clear, we'll do this from scratch. So I'm displaying the Contact Us page here. So I'm going to enable the Visual Builder, and what I'm going to do is create a new section here. And I'll click on Regular. And this time, instead of taking the default, what I'm going to do is choose one of these other options. I'll just do a 50-50 like so. And in the first module, I'm just going to insert a text module, or in the first column rather, I'm going to insert a text module. And what I'll do is I'll just enter the text. So, you've got company name and, the details there. So I'll click on that to accept those. Then over here, I'm just simply going to put a picture in. So I'll come down to where it says image. We'll get rid of the placeholder image. We'll add a new image. So let's see, let's go for maybe that one there. Remember, when you insert images, you can control the size. So instead of the full size, let's just take a medium size snapshot of that. So I'll say, okay, go for it. And there we go. We got this huge space here which needs sort of tidying up, but that's basically how you put text over here and an image over there. And of course you can sort of resize these if you want to.